Good morning. Thanks to almost 60,000 of you guys, I got invited to a Samsung event in Canada, Mississauga. So you're all coming with me. I'll show you the key moments in the showcase.
Be happy. And you want to share your pictures.
I am going to drag it over from the phone, so using the trackpad here. Okay, bringing it over so you can see it's here on the desktop, or you can bring it all the way to your tablet.
Using this picture as an example, I was asked to draw a dog and for them to generate an AI image of a dog into the photo. Is this actually useful? You tell me.
This is how with Galaxy AI you can elevate your pictures with editing. To clean it up, just drop it.
Just drop it?
Just drop it.
It's done.
Yeah. Well. Well, it's okay that you didn't catch it. So I can use the interpreter with Galaxy FE, so this way everything that's spoken to me in my native language translates, and I hear it directly in my ears. Можно мне, пожалуйста, чашечку кофе? So I set it in my buds, like pick it up.
How did she grab it? Did she literally just like, hold it and then she just like...
I mean, you can try it.
I think it was, I don't know.
Oh well, let me know. That's good.
Yeah. Here I'm drawing on the S11 Ultra tablet to check out the AI again, and I don't really care for it. It takes around like 10 seconds to generate your image too. I just want to know, do you guys actually want a tablet this big? Look, it's as huge as a laptop screen. If you watched my other video, the Samsung S9 FE tablet, this is S10 Lite that is definitely more appealing to the people like me who prefer smaller tablets. And I really like it, but I don't really see a reason to upgrade for now. And I'm not gonna lie, it was really fun dunking all these devices into water and testing the IPX rating, but the demo with the translation was really appealing to me. I really want to try this out in person. Alright, so from a first impression standpoint, this event did a really good job of showing off the ecosystem and why you might want to switch to Samsung, especially if you are looking for a way to incorporate AI into your everyday life, such as traveling. Right now I use a mixed ecosystem consisting of Apple phone, a Windows laptop, and PC, so until now I haven't really had a reason to say, hey, I only want to be with one company. When it comes to the tablets, I didn't find any new features that made me excited to upgrade my tablet, so that's a great sign. Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope to review some more products in the future in person and give you a long-term review later.